Shutting down Wall Street for your Bharat, 400 dances with police coordination, international buzz. Would you also like to pull out this? Tejaswini from Desire Your Dreams Event Management, and today let's dive into the viral Wall Street Bharat, which made shocking for New York City and inspired the entire world. Let's go behind the glam and talk about how this was really done. Is it possible in India? And whether it's possible for your wedding too? Just watch this. The groom, the energy, the full-fledged Desi celebration in the middle of New York Financial District. You're seeing here is choreographed, timed and rehearsed for its perfection. This isn't just dancing on street. This has a full-scale production. Let's be real. This wasn't pulled off overnight. Here's what went down behind the scene. Let's break it down. Legal permissions from New York City authorities, multiple rehearsal sessions with 400 performers, on-ground security and backup routes, stage managers to cue performances, sound engineers to set level in an open street. Everything had been pre-approved and timed to just avoid the traffic loss. Do you wonder about the budget? As a wedding planner, here's what I estimate for this entire Bharat. 50 to 70 lakhs just for Bharat, 4 to 6 months of planning, at least 20 professionals behind the scene, 0 rooms for mistakes, especially abroad. This is what real production grade look like. It's not just about entertainment, it's about precision planning. Now, the big questions. Would you also pull off this in India? Yes, it's definitely possible, but only with major planning. Here is a catch. In India, public transportation needs local traffic permissions. Cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore have traffic restrictions. Also with sound limits, procession rules, crowd controls, everything needs approval. But all this only with the right team. You can still make this even more grand, maybe inside a palace driveway or a private property. At Desire Your Dreams Event Management, we specialize just like that grand palace entries to offbeat barats. We make it a viral moment with zero stress. We're also planning something same unforgettable messages right now so that we can plan your dream wedding together. After this reaction, want something more on wedding breakdowns and tips? Hit like and subscribe and share this to the couple who wants to go viral next.